Now, come on down here and let's get started on our creamy potato salad.
And I've roasted off some really small potatoes. And my mom will leave these whole because these potatoes...
Yeah, they're like little marbles.
Well, they're all about a bite size. So I don't want to mash these up. I'm using about 3 pounds today.
I'm just gonna take a peek. Okay, let me just flip our steaks real quick.
I'm gonna put in 1/2 cup of mayonnaise.
I don't care what you put in it.
Potato salad really doesn't matter right now, does it?
I'm hypnotized.
But I know you, and at some point you're gonna be looking for a potato.
Yes, I am.
I love stone ground mustard, so I'm gonna put a tablespoon in here.
All right, you need a tablespoon or so.
A tablespoon of Italian parsley, a tablespoon of basil. I'm gonna put a tablespoon of fresh lemon juice, 2 tablespoons of olive oil. I'm gonna mix this up.
All right, son.
Right in the bowl, Mom. That's my basil and my parsley.
Yes.
I'm gonna put a little bit of salt and pepper in here.
Okay. So I'm gonna do a 90-degree turn on these steaks. So there you go. That is really pretty, son.
See how pretty this is?
Oh, it's gorgeous, son. And look, it looks so different, doesn't it? Using those little marble-sized potatoes, I love it. Listen to those steaks, y'all. They're getting down to business. Why don't you make us a plate, son? Pass me your plate.
Whoa.
Looks pretty good, doesn't it?
It looks pretty good. Y'all want a good look at it before I tear it up?
Yes.
Look how beautiful that is. Nothing to it.
Okay, here we go.
I'm gonna leave all the talking from this point forward up to my mama.
No. That means we don't have a host or a hostess right now.
We're not lying. This is good.
Hey, y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this blast from the past, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button, as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.